Dear friends, welcome to my Russian language classes. I'm happy to see you here. So, if you're here, it means that you are interested in learning languages, and especially Russian language. That's great. On my classes, I'm not going to give you difficult grammar rules or just lists of words that you will forget the next day. What I'm going to do is to give you small training lessons on which you will get enough speaking practice. And you can use new words that I give you again and again for better remembering. The more you practice, the better. So let's start. Russian language. Русский язык. Russian. Русский язык. Language. You can see the transcription in the brackets. Today you will learn several Russian words on the topic family. In Russian we will say it like семья. Семья. And you will not only learn them, but start using them in your daily speech right from the beginning. But first of all, please repeat after me. Семья. Семья. And now, for better remembering, make up a sentence with this new word. You will ask me, how can I make up a sentence if I don't know Russian grammar rules? Please don't worry. I will explain you. So, we will do it in that way. You can make up a sentence in your own language. Okay? But this word should be used in Russian. For example, my семья is big and friendly. I have 5 people in my семья. Do you like your семья? So please continue making up your own sentences with this new word to remember it better. Okay? And the next word for today is papa. 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 First of all, repeat after me. Papa. Papa. Okay. Papa is father. And again, we should make up sentences. If you have difficulties in making up sentences, you can use pictures. Pictures are very helpful. For example, I have a picture of this man. So, I can say, my papa is very fat. My papa is an engineer. I like my papa. Okay, so let's turn to the next word. The next word is mama. Mama. My mama cooks delicious food. I love my mama. My mama lives in another city. The next word is сестра. Сестра. It sounds very alike like sister, yeah? Сестра, сестра. Okay, so let's use this word in the sentences. I have a younger sister. Сестра. My sister is 8 years old. I love my sister. So please continue making up your own sentences, and I would recommend you to make 5-10 sentences with each word. Like this you will remember them better. And we will continue. The next word is брат. Брат. My брат is a student. I don't have any брат. Okay. And another word is сын. сын. I understand that to pronounce this sound it will be a little bit difficult, so let me help you. I will explain how to pronounce it. First of all, please try to say the sound U, U, and then make a smile. Okay, then smile, please. And you will hear this sound U, U, U. Сын, сын, сын. I will make up my own sentences, but you should do your own sentences. This man has a сын. His сын is angry. Okay. The next word is дочь. Дочь. His дочь is a nice girl. He bought his дочь a new dress. And we will continue. The next word is жена. 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 Жена is wife. This man is looking at his жена. His жена is a beautiful woman. Okay? And of course the next word is муж. 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 Муж is husband. Husband. She loves her муж. Her муж is a fat man. Okay. Yes, you can see a very long word, but please don't be afraid of it. Бабушка. 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 Бабушка has different meanings. Old woman and grandmother. Okay, I saw a бабушка in the street. My бабушка is 82 years old. Okay. And one more long word. Дедушка. Дедушка. Again, дедушка is an old man and grandfather. I love my дедушка. My дедушка has glasses. Okay. And the last word for today is ребенок. 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 This sound you should pronounce like in the word her. Her. Ребенок. Ребенок. Ребенок is a child. This ребенок is 5 years old. This ребенок goes to the kindergarten. These people have one ребенок. So, like that, please continue using these new words in your own sentences. I hope you liked my lesson, and I'm going to see you at my next classes. Good luck, see you again.